It kills unalarmed. Have you ever wondered how the culture of flattery can destroy a nation? On the surface, it looks like just a game of words, but in reality, it slowly poisons the roots of society. When leaders and those in power only hear praises and false admiration, then where does the truth go? Who dares to speak up for reform? And who dares to show reality? Flattery benefits only a few opportunists, but the damage? It falls on the entire nation. Because when policies go wrong, no one corrects them. When decisions are weak, no one challenges them, and a nation walks blindly into darkness. This culture kills merit. The capable ones are left behind, while flatterers rise to the top. The result? Institutions collapse, justice weakens, and progress stops. History is full of examples where kings were blinded by flattery, signed on to wrong decisions, and lost their empires. And even today, where flattery dominates, corruption, injustice, and despair grow stronger. The real question is, can a nation survive on false praise? Or is it only facing the truth that progress becomes possible? Or is it only by facing the truth that progress becomes possible? In the end, if we truly want a better country, we must replace flattery with honesty and integrity. Because flattery may give temporary joy, but it destroys nations in the long run.